Good morning here. It's Lucinda at Homesteading with Blue Sky Ranch. It is a super breezy fall morning today, and I am out here outside. It's so sunny, but I am here to tell you what not to do to your strawberries. I can't believe what I did, you guys. So here you go. I'm going to tell you my big fail. So watch my cute little intro, and then I'm going to talk to you about my strawberries. All right, I decided to come into my hoop house. I'm out of the wind, and it's so much warmer. Here it's about probably, I don't know, 25 degrees out this morning, but with the wind chill, it feels more like about 20. In my greenhouse, it's a nice sunny and 50 degrees. So like many of you, we all prepare for fall, and we think we're doing the right thing, right? So early this fall, I had transplanted all of my strawberries. They did really bad out in my market garden. They were literally attacked by bunnies, and I could not keep those bunnies off them. I tried all kinds of different things, and I just pretty much gave up. And then at the end, the deer came up and tried to pull them right out of the ground. So I transplanted them into these huge farm tractor tires that I got for free. And I got them all situated in there. They were doing beautiful. In fact, they were even blossoming. And look at these strawberries. They're inside my greenhouse. I just had them in one pot, and they're still trying to do good. They even have some blossoms on it. Here it's November 17th. But they're fine inside the hoop house. They're staying nice and warm. But anyway, I want to show you my epic fail that I think I was just not prepared for. I'm almost embarrassed to show you. But epic fail. And so don't do what I did, because now I have a mess on my hands. Okay, so follow me. I'm going to show you what I did. All right, these are these huge tires that I got free from another person here close to me. And I thought, oh, these are going to be great for my herbs and strawberries. Look, people, epic fail. I transplanted my beautiful strawberries. I used wheat straw, which I got from a local farmer here, and I had no idea that there would be seed in wheat straw. I knew not to use hay, but wheat straw, oh my gosh. Look at this. I mean, yeah, the mulch is here, but the grass is horrible. So now I'm growing wheat in this beautiful strawberry patch. This is going to be a real mess to get out of here next spring, and I'm probably going to end up having to dig every strawberry out to get all that wheat out of there. So, lesson learned here. So, what could I have done different? Well, I could have verified that it was seed free from the farmer, and I just thought that when they harvested wheat straw that they took the tops of the seeds off, and that's what they harvest first. Then they come back over it and they harvest and make straw bales with the cut off about 1 foot portion. And I didn't know that there'd be any seed left on those. I thought I was doing the right thing for my strawberries. Obviously not. I should have used leaves or something else, which is what I'm going to do in the future. I also put straw around my grapes. So we'll see how they do. I'm hoping it's not quite as bad as the strawberries, but I have no idea. So next spring, I have my work cut out for me. So, lesson learned. Make sure it's seed free before you use mulch, because mulch for me has just made me a huge mess. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed my little tidbit, my little epic fail here at Blue Sky Ranch. So join me next time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Homesteading with Blue Sky Ranch. See ya.